Sweet. Thanks, Joey. So now you've seen Home, and you're probably wondering, how do you get it? So we made it really simple. So after we launch, if you have the most recent Facebook app on Android and you have Messenger on Android, you'll see this. Just click Install. And that's going to take you to the Play Store. Because if you're just software on Android, the easiest way to get installed is to come off the Google Play Store. It handles the download, it handles the installation, setup, puts a shortcut on your home screen, you're good to go. Now, there's one small difference, as with anything that handles intents on Android. When you launch it, Android wants to make sure you really want to do this. And so you really have two choices. The first is you're just kind of exploring Home, you just heard about it, you just want to try it out, so you just go try once. Or you're walking out of here, you're super psyched, and you're just like, I'm in. And so you just do always, and then you're good to go. And that's it. Home is up and running on your phone. And what's great about being software on Play is it actually potentially makes us available to a really wide range of Android devices. We think Home is going to be a great experience on tablets. It has an almost chromeless UI. It has huge images, a great tactile interface. We think this is going to be a really great way to experience Home and Facebook on tablets. Now, we aren't quite done with tablets yet, so this isn't at launch. We're not going to be launching on tablets. We are going to try to make it available on tablets within several months after we launch. And that ability to update is important. Normally when you think about system software like an operating system or a phone, you think about once a year. You think about getting that new operating system and saying, wow, this has a bunch of cool new features. And then those are the only features you get for a year. We don't think that's fast enough. And so like all of our other mobile apps, Home is going to release every month. And so every month, Home is going to come out, it's going to have more features, it's going to work on more devices, and it's going to be better, just like everything else we do on mobile. And there had been a lot of speculation about how we would build this. Are we going to make a Facebook operating system? Are we going to massively fork Android? And it's not the right way to do this. Android was built from the ground up to be open. Last year we released an entirely rebuilt iOS app, and we rebuilt the feed experience on Android. And that was really the first step in transforming how we built mobile products at Facebook. Home's the next step. With Home, it's not just mobile first, but mobile best. We want mobile to be the best, the most natural, the highest quality way to access Facebook. So when we set out to build Home, we challenged ourselves to build the highest quality experience on Android. We rewrote core components to make them fast and responsive. We built an entirely new UI layer based on physics, so that every time you're swiping between images or you're playing around with chat heads, it feels physical and real. I want to just take a moment to thank all the teams that let us show you Home today. And with that, I'm going to hand it back to Mark.